Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Gonzalez Ramirez. I am singer. I am from Colombia. I am 21 years old. I am psychology student and I am studying at UNAT. I live in Chinchina Caldas. Normally, I'm my free team. I like to play soccer, listen to music, and go for a walk in the morning. The main tourist places in my town are the Basilica of Our Lady of Mercedes, Cine Cafe, the Old Right Station, the agrotourism, and the largest group of coffee in the world, which is something visit with my family. The typical food of my town is the paisa, tried, and the main celebration that take place are the folk festival and the coffee carnival, which I always go to the with my friends. I my son always play soccer in the stadium. I can also exercise in the linear park and go for a walk in the morning to different places.